Kani kadai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Uway neki MP jong kaseng Kongres na kejela Assam, Gaurav Gogoi, balong ru unong aiktien jong ke All India Congress Committee, ula Thalaiñ Tyngeh ya ke Sorkar BJP, hapo ke jelam jong Menteri Rang Bado kari, Narendra Modi. Da ka baong baka Sorkar BJP kala persang banyalam baklai ki pajba khamtam Halor ke yeng bishar ke bah khlido jong kari India ke Supreme Court Halor ke Rafale scam habai kren merkinong pathai ko bor henin ke sngi ke khatpra terek ubnai nokpra arja katpra po Congress Bhavan Shillong Gaurav Gogoi ulong bah habai dei baka kai phat jong ke CAG ke Sorkar BJP kamsham lai ke Public Accounts Committee lani banmara yakani hapo parliament henry yakani ke kai phat la syurai bej marway da Menteri Rang Bado kari Narendra Modi. Kumta kaseng Kongres kadawa na kayeng bishar bah kli do jong kari ke Supreme Court bakan weng no ya ke jing bishar hakabai day baka kentien bala penmi bakla da ke BJP dangshen badru ban pencitom ya ke Sorkar BJP ke bala persang ban thok bat yalam bakla ya ke yeng bishar badan burom jong ke Supreme Court.
The CAG report has not been given to the PAC, whose chairman is Mallikarjun Kharge, who has done a press conference on this also. And the Public Accounts Committee is the most important committee in the Parliament because it goes into very important decisions. So it has not been given to the PAC and it has not been put in Parliament. So these are a set of lies being perpetuated by the Modi government. And when its lies are caught by the Congress party, it resorts to a clever trickery of the English grammar by replacing is or replacing has been by is. Whichever way you look at it, even if you read that para with the word is, it still sends a wrong message. If you read it in the original text as has been, that itself is wrong. So whichever way the government is trying to save itself, by either putting the word is or by putting the words has been, it is committing perjury because it is misleading the court. Therefore, the Congress party is making two simple demands. A, based on the false statements made by the BJP government, the Supreme Court should withdraw its judgment because a false witness has been prepared by the Modi government. And second, the Supreme Court should penalize the BJP government for trying to lie and mislead the highest court in this country. The Supreme Court should call upon the government and initiate actions of contempt and initiate an action of perjury against the BJP government. Thirdly, we want the JPC to begin. If Prime Minister Modi has nothing to be afraid of, if in the past when BJP itself was in the opposition, whenever they felt it was necessary for a JPC was constituted, the Congress government of that time would agree to the demands of the BJP in that time opposition and set up a JPC, then why is the current BJP government so allergic? When in opposition they would love the JPC. Now in ruling they have developed an allergy to it. That means they have something to hide. They don't want the facts of the matter to come out. But a Congress president has always said that you can spin 100 lies to cover the original lie. But a lie is a lie is a lie, and one day the truth will come out.